So if you're counting on your 401k and Social Security to fund your retirement, you might be walking straight into a financial trap that could leave you broke at 70. But there's another way that most people never consider. I've seen so many people retire between 60 and 65 and they go broke by 70. Don't let this happen to you. A safe retirement plan might just bring in a few $1,000s every month, allowing you to have the free time and flexibility to live your life the way you want without compromising your lifestyle. I've seen so many people follow the traditional retirement advice, max out their 401ks, save diligently, plan for a comfortable retirement. Then they retire to take a few trips, start to enjoy life, and soon realize that they don't have enough money for the next steps. They start to downsize. They sell their house. They get rid of one of the vehicles down to one vehicle, and soon it's not enough. They run out of money and they run out of time. They never account for inflation and not having enough income or revenue. Just a small amount of revenue every month can make all the difference. See, when you're young, you have all kinds of opportunity to make money. As you age, the opportunity to make money gets less and less. So this is the retirement trap principle. People save a lump sum expecting it to last 20 to 30 years. They essentially are betting against inflation, market crashes, and unexpected medical expenses. Traditional retirement planning assumes you'll spend down your savings until it's gone or you pass away. The principle of shifting, spend it down and earn it through your retirement years. Now hold on, before we get into the rest of the video, it's time for the question of the day. I asked you guys a question and you respond in the comment section below. Now here's the question. What is your plan once you retire? Are you going to travel, stay at home, buy a new car? My plan is to buy old lake houses and fix them up. Tell me your answers in the comments section below. All right, let's get back to the video. That's my favorite part. Passive income is retirement insurance. While 401k balances can crash overnight, income streams provide steady monthly cash flow regardless of market conditions. This is how even the modest passive income can drastically extend retirement security. Just an extra $1,000 to $2,000 of passive income every single month can mean the difference between financial stress and financial freedom and a great retirement. This income acts like a buffer, allowing retirement savings to last much longer or even continue growing. This small income could extend your nest egg. And then when you decide if the ATM business is getting too much for you to handle, you can sell the ATM business and generate another nest egg that you can eat off for another 2 years, since most ATM businesses sell for between 2 and 3 times of earnings. Imagine retirement where you are earning money instead of just spending it. The picture confidence that comes from knowing money is flowing in every month, regardless of what happens to your traditional retirement accounts. If the market goes up or down, you're still making money. If you want to escape the retirement trap, you should watch more educational content on my channel to understand income generating strategies for you if you are ready to build your retirement safety net. Now enroll in my ATM Business A to Z course to start creating the passive income that you could save for your retirement. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Please join the ATM Mastermind community, and we'll see you at the next ATM Mastermind video.